if you want to cross it over in front of you, and the camera's going to end up right here. So 3, 2, 1, action, across, and smile right in the camera. It's super fast, so it's 1 second, it'll come whipping up here. Oh, scoot forward just a little bit, right on, yeah, part right there. Great. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, action. Amazing. That was awesome. Yeah. Fantastic. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Action, I guess start walking on 1 a little bit before. Ready? And just, I mean, you're gonna nail the mark, so this is gonna be great. Awesome. She's walking into it. Yep. Yep. Ready. So you're going on 1. Ready. And 3, 2, 1. Action. Amazing. Perfect. Good. Focus. Good.
Good. Yeah.
Great. Awesome. Thank you, my dear. Have fun today. Ready. And 3, 2, 1. Action. Let's do one more. Keep that line with one more. That was great.
Transformer.
Yeah.
Legs straight, knee down.
Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Action. Ready? 1 second. And 3, 2, 1. Action. Perfect. Amazing. Thank you. Producer right over there on the side. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Action. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you, guys. How are you doing? So good to see you.
Thank you.
Really fast. Copy. Great. So the mark is right there, right underneath. You're a pro. We'll run the same move. You already know what you're going to do. I love it. And moments away. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Action. Yes, love it. You're a pro. Awesome. Enjoy your night. Good to see you. Miley, Cole,
Good to
we've
see you. How are
been
you?
forever. How are
Very
you?
good to see you. Good.
Awesome.
Breakdown, come on.
Hey, amazing. So this is a high-speed camera, so you have 1 second to do any kind of movement is good. It's super slow motion. So I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, action. Push wrap where it is. It's gonna come whipping up here, and you give me a pose and a little movement.
Perfect.
Great. And 3, 2, 1, action. How are you? Excellent. Love your hair. Thank you. I would love your show. So, so camera's gonna move really fast. So movement is good. Any kind of little turn pose in the camera will be great. So I'm gonna say it's gonna start over here and come up here. Same move. Okay, cool. I'll say 3, 2, 1, action.
Follow it?
Yes, please. Yeah, follow it. Give me like a little. I mean, the bigger the movement, the better.
Oh, the bigger the movement, the better?
Please.
All right, cool.
Absolutely. Great. Love it. All right. Ready? And 3. Hold on 1 second. And 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect. Okay, so she's getting ready. We'll do the Backstreet Boys real quick.
Can we do it quick?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Gentlemen, how you doing? Great, awesome, cool. A pleasure meeting you guys. Love it. So center's right here. So we'll bring you up. Great. So this is high-speed camera. So you don't have to just crouch. Yeah. So I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1. How you doing? Cool.
What do we need to do?
Great. You're gonna come in a little bit.
We might have to fit everybody in.
One's coming.
Right here.
Let's do a boom down. We'll get everybody in a boom down. So hold on. We're not ready yet. So if you can hold this for 2 minutes, then you're good.
Oh, my thighs.
Yeah. All right. It's 1 second. So it's gonna whip down in 1 second. So it's really just like one thing. Just a big movement right on action. And 3, 2, 1, action. Hi, my dear.
Friend.
I love
How
seeing
are
you.
you?
You look amazing.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. All right, so Mark is right into there. I love that you keep coming back to us. A little forward. A little forward. Great, right there. Perfect.
Where will it end up?
End up right here. So if you want to,
Close?
about that close, maybe a little above waist.
walk into it.
Hey, let's make it happen. Love it. So I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, action. I guess start walking on 1 a little bit before. Ready? And you're gonna nail the mark. So this is gonna be great. Awesome. She's walking into it. Yep. Yep. Ready. So you're going on 1. Ready. And 3, 2, 1, action. Amazing. Perfect. Good? Focus good?
Good? Yeah.
Great. Awesome. Thank you, my dear. Have fun today. How you doing? Cool.
Hi.
Pleasure.
Yeah,
I love
great
you.
hair.
Oh, thank you. Great outfit. I love
Thank
it.
you.
This is a high-speed camera.
Okay.
Movement is good. It moves very fast, so when we're going to slow it down. So I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, action. You a little turn, a little pose, and end up right in the camera.
And it's like fast. 'Cause
Very
you guys
fast. Yeah, it's literally 1 second.
And you guys slow it down.
Yeah, we slow it down. Yeah.
Got it.
Love it. All right.
This is the end.
So this is where it's going to end up, Adam.
That's what's going to end?
Yes. It's going to start way up there.
Okay.
Yeah. Ready? Ready? And 3, 2, 1, action. It's very fast. It's very fast. Let's do one more. And 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect. Amazing. Awesome. Loved it. Thank you, Adam. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Wanna feel some